viewers, we welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Campaigning for assembly polls picks up in Karnataka. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses poll rally, bats for double-engine government. Meghalaya government to set up full-fledged veterinary hospital in Shillong. Minister in charge Animal Husbandry and Veterinary A.L. Hegg says preparation of DPR for 94 crore rupees project in progress. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma visits the newly created tourism amenities at Daribok, asks officials to take measures to ensure zero littering of the area. And 100th episode of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Mann Ki Baat program to be broadcast tomorrow. The news in detail. Top politicians from BJP and Congress flocked to the poll-bound Karnataka to campaign to woo voters. On his first leg of a two-day tour to the state, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today addressed a public gathering in the Hamnabad area of Karnataka's Bidar district. Addressing the people, Modi said this election is not just for winning, it is an election to make Karnataka the #1 state in the country. Saying the double-engine government is essential for the state's development and making it #1, Modi said under the BJP government, foreign investment has increased thrice in the state. Minister in charge Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Alexander Lalu Hegg has informed that the government will soon set up the first ever full-fledged veterinary hospital in Shillong. He said the site for the project will be at Upper Shillong. According to him, the proposal will be submitted to the Centre for Sanctioning of Funds. Speaking to reporters on Friday, Hegg said that a detailed project report (DPR) is being prepared for the setting up of the veterinary hospital at an estimated cost of 94 crore rupees. Stating that till date the state has 264 veterinary doctors, he said that once the state has its own full-fledged veterinary hospital, the department will have to find out means to accommodate new doctors, veterinary assistants and many others.
So far, we had this Meghalaya Veterinary Services Association just day before yesterday. Actually, they are quite sizable and doctors are there. 264 doctors. The dedicated hospital, veterinary hospital. Of course, the new doctors. So, other new doctors, we have to accommodate them. The veterinary assistant, we have to accommodate them, and too many things are there, which we need to make the hospital full-fledged functioning.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Friday visited the newly created tourism amenities at Daribok at the foothills of Nokre Biosphere Reserve in Garo Hills. The newly created viewing deck of Daribok and the approach road from Oragitok to Daribok has led to an increase in tourist footfall. Considering the large footfall of tourists in the biosensitive area of Nokre, the Chief Minister has asked the departments to work in collaboration and come up with measures to ensure that the area is free from waste, plastic and overcrowding. He also inspected the ongoing construction of the tourist log houses at Daribok. He said that sustainable intervention should be initiated in the area with zero littering and proper waste management.
Board or a society which we can call like Nokre Development Board or society more sustainable? What do we do to ensure that we allow the people to have eco-tourism project that was started a few years back out here, which included the construction of roads to this location and have a viewing deck and also have accommodation like dormitory and camping site, as well as some cottages. And the idea really is to promote sustainable and ecotourism.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people of the country and abroad in the Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio at 11 a.m. tomorrow. It will be the 100th episode of the monthly radio program. The Raj Bhavan in Shillong is gearing up for the live screening of the 100th episode of Mann Ki Baat. DD Meghalaya and All India Radio Shillong, in collaboration with the Raj Bhavan, are organizing the special screening of the popular radio program. Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan will grace the occasion as the chief guest. Several eminent personalities from various fields including art and culture and sports will be present on the special screening. The 5-day-long North-East Regatta got underway today at Umyam Water Sports Complex, Ribhoi, organized by the Meghalaya Tourism Department in collaboration with the Umyam Sailing Club. More than 100 participants from all over the country are expected to take part in the event. Attending the inaugural ceremony, Meghalaya Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh said that this kind of event is being organized to motivate the young people. He also harped on the immense potential of tourism as livelihood provider in the state. Speaking to reporters, Dr. Vijay Kumar D, Commissioner Secretary Tourism, said that the objective is to start sailing in a professional manner in the state, where the concerned department has also set up the Umyam Sailing Club to promote sailing as a sport.
And today, I can say that after several decades, Umyam is weeping tears of joy to have been elevated to such a position, that it is recognized today as a spot which can host not just national but international events.
One of the most beautiful tourist attractions we have in Meghalaya. To start sailing in a professional manner, in an organized manner, we have set up an Umyam Sailing Club under the Department of Tourism, and our aim is to promote sailing as a sport so that young boys and girls from the state can pick up this sport.
The North Liberty Higher Secondary School of Juwai has been declared the overall champions at the Chief Minister District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet 2023, which concluded yesterday at Kiang Nangba Stadium. The meet was organized by the Office of the District Sports Officer, West Jaintia Hills District, in support of the West Jaintia District Sports Association. The North Liberty Higher Secondary School won 18 gold, 8 silver and 6 bronze medals. The Best Team category trophy went to North Liberty Higher Secondary School, Police Public School and Government Boys Higher Secondary School. St. Mary's Maxillero Girls Higher Secondary School was awarded the Best Disciplined School. The closing function was witnessed by Juwai MLA Wailant Miki Shilla, among others.
But I'm very happy today to be here with you all and looking at you participating in different events. I'm very happy and I'm confident that many athletes will come out and bring laurels to our district in the near future.
The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 22.9 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature 13.2 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 57%, while in the evening it was 78%. Forecast: light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at few places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in into our daily bulletin. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Campaigning for assembly polls picks up in Karnataka. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses poll rally, bats for double-engine government. Meghalaya government to set up full-fledged veterinary hospital in Shillong. Minister in charge Animal Husbandry and Veterinary A.L. Hegg says preparation of DPR for Rs 94 crore project in progress. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma visits the newly created tourism amenities at Daribog, asks officials to take measures to ensure zero littering of the area. And 100th episode of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Mann Ki Baat program to be broadcast tomorrow. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, it's good night.